I want to take you on a tour around this fabulous facility that is called Weiss Spindle Services. Over to you, Tom.
Well, the first room we're in is this assembly room where they try and figure out what's gone wrong or what needs changing. Next up, clean room, because everything needs to be cleaned before it goes on to inspection and so on. So where are we going now?
Well, you failed to say, Tom, but there's a lot of photographs that get taken to find out what is wrong.
Well, traceability on everything.
With the spindles. And of course, the facility is thermally compensated or temperature controlled. I think I get that right.
I wouldn't have got that out.
So with that being the case, they can measure absolutely everything down to 1 to 2 microns.
Yeah, and every piece of equipment is calibrated constantly to make sure everything is measured right first time.
Okay, once it's gone through inspection, we go over to Jamie here, who is grafting because he is making all of the components flat. So then when they are assembling, that's the right word to say, the spindle back together, it is perfect.
And can I just say, he's never been on camera as much as he has in the last 10 minutes. This is their, say, machine shop. You've got your lathes in here, your mills in here, and also their grinders, which is probably the most important piece of equipment, because if you're machining down to 1 or 2 microns, a grinder is really the only way you're going to get it right and symmetrical.
Okay.
So, moving on.
Moving on, this is the area where they will put the spindle back together. And from here, it's going to be a lot more technical than this, but it's a quick tour. So then from here, it will be going over into the next room. Into
the testing room. Now, there's a lot of people in the testing room, so we're not actually going to go in there.
Okay.
If you want to see what happens in here, you'll have to wait for the main video.
You're a tease.
But in there is where they do their final test after it's been rebuilt, make sure everything's running right, make sure there's no vibration, to make sure when you get that back in your machine, it runs exactly how you expect.
That's a USP for Weiss Spindle Services. So what they'll do is they'll test it for like 5 minutes, then they'll up it until about 5 hours.
Yeah, or longer if needs be. Now, my favourite room, I'm going to give you a really quick intro on this. This is going to be their new training room, where they're not only going to train their staff, but also their customers on spindle maintenance, how to take it apart, how to keep sure that make sure the oil, grease, lubrication, everything is up to scratch. And do you know what? I've never heard that before. So that is a massive thing, not just for Weiss, but for the industry. If more people can take care of their spindles and have preventative maintenance, means their spindles can run longer.
And if you have a spare spindle, which I don't think that many people, just a random spare spindle, but when you do, they have this, which is called a spindle hotel. Because the facility is all one stable temperature, it will really help with storing, but they'll also test here as well.
Yeah, so if you've had, that's a generator, so if we find a spindle, which there isn't one around, but if you have a spindle that's been, say you've got 2 spindles, you've got one on your machine while one's getting fixed and you swap them over, you may not need that spindle back for a year, 2 years, whatever. These guys can house it in their spindle hotel, and it won't just sit here. Every month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on spindle, they will take that down and they will run it. So to make sure the grease and all the lubrication is constantly being moved around, they'll run it through a warm-up cycle to make sure the bearings are running right, the grease is getting where it needs to be. So when you get it, let's just use this for a thing, not all the grease is sat here, it's all run through. So when you put it back in your machine, there's no big, long warm-up cycles and whatever. You can just get on with your work.
They have a lot of, say, unique selling points that they do here at Weiss Spindle Services that others don't. Now, this is their brand new facility that opened only in July of this year. They've got HQ in Germany, I believe the US as well. Big company, but remember it. But if you want to watch more on this company, then make sure you look out for the MTDCNC videos. Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.